Welcome back to my channel, guys. Before I start working on the Ford, please help me subscribe to my channel, click that bell notification so every time I have new video you guys will be updated. But I'm working on a 2002 Ford F150 5.4 liter. So right now the check engine light is for the O2 sensor. Now you can see the 0156 O2 sensor, bank 2 sensor 2. I'm not worrying about the OBD scan code. Pending also the same thing. O2 sensor, bank 2 sensor 2. The firing order for Ford for this one is 1 2 3 4. That's bank 1 on the passenger side, 5 6 7 8. Bank 2 on the driver side. Sensor 1 is before the cat, sensor 2 is after the cat, which is this one right here. For the sensor 2 here, this is where the connector located. So press on this tab right here, this little tab, pull down, check on the connector, check on this one right here, make sure the pin is not damaged, bent or corroded. Check the wires in the back here, make sure it's not broken or ripped. And then for the sensor 2, it's right here, and I use my O2 socket. There you go, put them in and then get my ratchet and then just break them loose. I already break them loose. Now there you go, check it out. Now I have my new O2 sensor here. This is original from Ford. This one's also from Ford too. You can see it says Ford right here, but this one's old, like old style. So this one's, I believe this is the updated one. This is the part number. Everything's the same. The O2 is the same. The only difference is the old style. The old style, it has 2 bracket right here, but it doesn't matter. The new one doesn't have it, so this one's just gonna slide in. And then the new O2, it has anti-seize already, yeah, right here. So now I'm just gonna install it. So I got my new sensor in already. I'm gonna tighten it down. So I'm gonna put this to on. Put it all the way down. There you go. Tighten it down. So this is pretty tight. Just snug a little bit. That's it. That's all you need. And then reconnect the connector. So we're just gonna slide in. Wanna zoom in so you guys can see. There you go, it clicks. There you go. That's good enough. I'm gonna tell you guys again, okay? So on the passenger side, the firing order is 1 2 3 4. Bank 1, sensor 1's before the cat, sensor 2 is after the cat, and then 5 6 7 8 is on the driver's side. This is bank 2. Sensor 1's before the cat, sensor 2 is after the cat. So right now I have the key on. I'm gonna show you the code again. This one is with automatic with AC code. I'm gonna go back to the memory, and then the pending. I'm not worrying about the OBD port code. Pending, it's the same thing. O2 sensor, bank 2 sensor 2. Now I'm gonna clear it. There you go, code clear, exit. I'm gonna turn off the car. I'm gonna turn it back on. There you go, that's it. Now all I gotta do is just take it out for a test drive. So just a O2 sensor replaced, guys. So if you guys new to my channel, please help me subscribe. If you guys have any comment down below. Ask me anything you wanna ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But I'm out. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.